Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'll show you how to delete a WordPress website from Cpanel. It's very easy. So without further ado, let's start the video. Alright, as you can see, you're on my Cpanel right now on the screen, and just open the Cpanel of your web hosting and navigate to software, and here you have WordPress Manager by Softaculous. This is the software we use to install WordPress, and you can see our installation here. I have installed WordPress on my channel website tipswithalam.com. I'll show you the website. This is the website I'm talking about, and I've not designed it, and for some reason I don't like this design, or I don't want to keep this website anymore. So I'll just go back to Softaculous and click on this down arrow over here, and then click on uninstall. So now this will delete all the WordPress installation. It will ask you to confirm. Just hit OK, and this will start the uninstallation, and you can see the installation was removed successfully. Click on return to WordPress management, and now if you visit this website, you will not see anything. This website has been deleted permanently and without any backup. That's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.